In front of me is Poco C65, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Privacy Protection. Following that, tap on All Permissions and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Then just tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Lastly, manage all of those options only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!